Welcome to English Conversation, from beginner to advanced level. Lesson number 1. Learn how to ask and to tell the name.
Conversation 1.
What is your name?
My name is Hina.
I am Imad.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Conversation 2.
What is your name?
My name is Sami. What is your name?
I am Imad. I am a student.
I am your teacher.
In this video, you learned how to ask the name, and also learned how to introduce yourself.
If you like the video,
Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.